So we've learned a basic plugin when we see variables in the answer choices. There's a certain type of basic plugin that's a little bit different. There's still variables in the answer choices, but they'll use the terminology which of the following must be or which of the following could be. And we want to handle these a little bit differently. If it says which of the following must be, that means it has to be true beyond a doubt. It has to be true all the time. If it says which of the following could be, it means that you might plug in some numbers and it might not be true. But the next time when you use different numbers, it could be true. The could-be's are a little bit more challenging, and fortunately they don't show up as much. So, how to spot a must-be, could-be problem. You're going to see the words which of the following must be or which of the following could be, or you might see Roman numerals, or you might see variables in the answer choices. Remember, on the basic plugins, you never want to throw in 0 or 1 because you're going to get doubles. On the must-be, could-be problems, though, 0 and 1 are actually really good numbers to plug in to help you eliminate the answer choices. You want to start with easy numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you want to plug in 0 or 1. Then you want to move on to try negatives. From there, throw in some fractions and decimals. And then lastly, any extreme numbers, anything else you can think of, maybe a really, really big number, or maybe the square root of 2, something like that. Your goal is to eliminate. So on a must-be, could-be problem or a Roman numeral problem, chances are you're going to have to throw in more than once. And you really want to keep track of the numbers that you throw in. Also, you need to pay attention to your restrictions. So even though 0 might be a good number to use, if it says x has to be positive, you can't try 0 and you can't try negatives. All right, so let's do a couple and see how it works.